Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. Your PC does not meet security requirement for Call of Duty BIOS firmware update required. So if you're getting this error, your PC does not meet security requirements for Call of Duty. To keep your game and security features up to date, please review and resolve the requirements below. BIOS firmware update required. So if you're getting this error BIOS firmware update required in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 game, then here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. Now to fix your PC does not meet security requirements for Call of Duty BIOS firmware update required error in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4, you must ensure that TPM 2.0 and secure boot are enabled and that your motherboard's BIOS firmware is updated to the latest version. Activision's updated anti-cheat system requires these components to be active and up to date in order to launch the game. So follow the structured steps below to resolve the issue. Now before performing the steps mentioned in this video, please take an important note over here. Don't ignore this important note. If you do not have technical knowledge of PC, then do not perform these steps by your own. You can consult with PC technician or contact your PC support or your PC manufacturer support. Or else you might end up facing PC boot problem. Your PC might not boot up completely. So here follow the steps. Step 1. Run the official security attestation wizard. So before changing BIOS settings, verify exactly which component is failing this security check. So you can go to this Activision support page. I will provide this link in my video description. You can go to this website. This is the Activision support page. Scroll down. Here you will see download the Call of Duty Secure Attestation wizard. Click on it. Once it is downloaded, click on this folder icon to open it. Then right click on it and then select extract all. Then click on extract. Now once it is extracted, right click on the CoD Secure Attestation Wizard.exe file and select run as administrator and then click on run scan and note the specific requirement that is failing. For example, TPM, secure boot or BIOS firmware. So after extracting the zip file, right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Then click on this option. By clicking accept, I agree that I have read, understood and accept the terms of use, and then click on accept and then click on run a scan and just wait for the scan to get complete. Now in my PC, it is showing TPM 2.0, your PC meet trusted platform from model 2.0 requirements for Call of Duty, and secure boot, your PC meets secure boot requirements for Call of Duty. And here you can see congratulations message. But in your case, if it is failing, for example, TPM is not enabled or secure boot is not enabled or BIOS firmware update required option, then here follow the next step. Step 2 is to enable TPM 2.0 and secure boot. So if the wizard show that TPM or secure boot is disabled, you must enable them inside your motherboard's UEFI or BIOS settings. So restart your PC and then as it turns on, repeatedly press the BIOS hotkey, usually delete button or F2, F10 or F12 depending on your motherboard brand. So enter the BIOS and after entering the BIOS, enable the TPM 2.0. So navigate to the security, peripherals or advanced tab depending on your BIOS settings. Then look for the settings named AMD FTPM, Intel PTT, Intel Platform Trust Technology or Security Device Support. Switch these settings from disabled to enabled. Now here enable the secure boot. Navigate to the boot or security tab. Locate the secure boot and set it to enabled. Now please take a note. If you see a settings for CSM, Compatibility Support Module, make sure to set it to disabled as secure boot will not function while CSM is running. And finally save and exit. So press the F10 button, save your changes and boot into Windows. Now step 3 is to update your motherboard BIOS firmware. Now if TPM 2.0 and secure boot are already active and enabled on your PC, your system is flagging an outdated security architecture version embedded in your old motherboard firmware. So press the Windows plus R button to open the run box and in the run box type MSInfo32 and press enter. Find your base board manufacturer and base board product. This tells you your exact motherboard model. So press Windows plus R, then type MSInfo32 and then click OK. Here you can see baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product model. Now go to the official website of your manufacturer such as Asus, Gigabyte, MSI or ASRock. Or you can also go to the same website which I have provided in the video link. Scroll down to the bottom, and here you can see motherboard guides. Now here take a note, be sure to consult your motherboard manufacturer's website for the latest information about firmware updates and release notes. So if you have Acer motherboard, then you can expand this. If you have ASRock motherboard, you can expand this. If you have Asus, then expand this. So if you have BioStar, Colorful, Dell, Alienware, Gigabyte, HP, Lenovo, MSI, so whichever motherboard you have, expand it. For example, in my case, I have the Dell motherboard, so I will expand Dell one. And here you will see BIOS firmware, and here you will see BIOS installation guide. Click on this tutorial document and videos. It will open the Dell official website, and here you will see how to update BIOS, install and upgrade BIOS on Windows. So this is the complete installation guide over here. You can read this. You can also watch the video, and you can update the BIOS firmware. So you have to search for your motherboard model, navigate to its support or download page, and download the latest BIOS firmware file. Extract the file onto a USB flash drive. Now here is the catch. You have to extract the file onto a USB flash drive. Then restart your PC, enter the BIOS, and look for a tool like EZFlash, MFlash or QFlash to select the file from your USB drive and update the BIOS. And do not turn off your PC during this update. So you have to follow these steps to update your motherboard BIOS firmware. And once you update your BIOS firmware, then you can just boot the PC in normal mode, and then you can go ahead, try to launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved and if you're still getting the error, then here follow the step 4. Clear the TPM memory buffer. So if you have updated everything but the game still displays the error, Windows might be holding on to old security information cached in the memory. So what you have to do, just restart your PC, again enter the BIOS settings, go to the TPM settings and temporarily disable both AMD FTPM and Intel PTT. Save the changes, then boot completely into normal Windows, then restart your PC again. Re-enter the BIOS settings again. Change the settings back to enabled, then save and exit, and then boot your PC into normal mode, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. This process forces Call of Duty to pull the newly updated firmware signature, and then your problem will get solved. So I hope by following these steps mentioned in this video helped you to fix your PC does not meet security requirements for Call of Duty BIOS firmware update required error in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.